Welcome! Today we are looking at how to use the GETPIVOTDATA function in Google Sheets. As you can see, I have set up a simple sales dataset with categories and their corresponding sales figures. The GETPIVOTDATA function allows you to extract specific, aggregated information from a pivot table. It is incredibly useful for creating automated dashboards that pull from summarized data. To get started, I first need to create a pivot table from this dataset. First, I'll select our data range, then we'll navigate to the Insert menu to generate our pivot table. With the data selected, I'll go to the Insert menu to create our pivot table. Next, I will select Pivot Table from the menu to initiate the creation process. The dialog confirms our data range. I will now click Create to generate the pivot table on a new sheet. The pivot table is ready. I will add Category to the Rows section to group our data. Selecting Category to group our rows. Now, I'll add Sales to the Values section to calculate the totals for each category. Selecting Sales now to populate our values with the total for each category. To extract a specific value, I will use the GETPIVOTDATA function. First, I specify the value field to extract, which is Sales. Next, I point to the pivot table cell that acts as our reference point. Then, I define the category field name. Finally, I specify the category value I want to filter for, which is electronics. That's how the GETPIVOTDATA function works. If you found this helpful, hit like and follow for more, a new formula every day.